Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about WebinarFuel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you share your WebinarFuel webinar template with someone? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to share your WebinarFuel template anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you have partners or coworkers that are running similar businesses, and if you have a webinar that's working, you can actually share that template with somebody who has a WebinarFuel account, so you don't have to completely recreate it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my WebinarFuel account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to share your WebinarFuel webinar template, here on the top, you want to click on webinars. Once you do that, here on the left, you're going to see all the different webinars you're running. So go ahead and choose the webinar that you want to share the template for. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu. However, to share this complete template, here on the top right, you're going to click on this share button. Once you do that, you're going to see this WebinarFuel link. So you can go ahead and just copy that. Now what's going to happen is if somebody's logged into their WebinarFuel, let's say that, I have a partner in the other side of the country and they want to use my template, all I'm going to do is just give them this link. And once they click on the link, they're going to be able to download my WebinarFuel webinar template into their WebinarFuel account, which is a lot easier than me sitting on the phone and explaining to them, make that setting or adjust this. All of it going to be added into their account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to share your WebinarFuel template, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.